A library. We love libraries. We read a lot of books in the library. Everyone does, even our fathers and parents.
I love to read books. I'm a monster. I should look for a library online and go there. Oh, that's the library I was looking for. Hey, so many books I love to read. Yoo-hoo!
Excuse me, mister, you are a monster. You are not allowed in the library. You cannot read books here. This is only for humans.
I'm sad. No books, no library.
Don't worry, monster. I got you a book.
Wow, I'm so happy. You're the best. You're my best friend. Now I can read. I love to read.
This monster loves to read books.